What are you doing? Huh?
Nothing.
You're doing nothing?
I'm just brushing Tyson's hair and he won't let me.
Are you making him look pretty?
Handsome.
Oh, handsome?
Yeah. Thank you.
Do not hit him with the brush.
And now I'm brushing his hair and he's walking. And you gotta be patient before I get brushing him forever. Boop, boop, boop. Now he looks handsome. Do you look handsome?
He looks so handsome.
And Ella's gonna be pretty and hot. Boop, boop, boop,
I don't think she likes it. You tired, Tyson?
Pretty. Pretty girl. Okay.